IoT smart lighting and environmental monitoring system. So in this project we are using one IoT web page and Blink application, email alert and Blink notification alert. So in this project we are using one IoT web page and Blink application, temperature, humidity, gas, bulb 1, bulb 2, and we are getting the email alerts. So and mobile notification alert we are using. Okay, Blink application alert. So let us coming into the block diagram. Power supply board, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, ESP32 module, 4 channel relay board, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4, and 16 cross to LCD display, RS enabled, D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, GPIO pin number, and MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor. It is connected to the ADC of 32. DHT11 temperature humidity is connected to the 15th pin. So let us coming into the hardware part. So in this hardware part we are using one power supply board, two power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, and 4 channel relay board, and bulb 1, bulb 2, and L293D 16 cross to LCD display, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ2 gas sensor. Now I am going to connect the module. Okay, so now it is connected to the project 1 2 3 4 5 password. So once it is connected, it will show you onto the LCD hardware device connected. IoT smart lighting environment monitoring system. T for temperature, humidity, gas. So here temperature, humidity, gas. So we are going to on and off the bulbs. So temperature, humidity, gas. Okay, so it is updating the data step by step. 4:24. Now the time is 4:25. 4:24. Okay, so now I am going to give the gas, temperature, bad air. So we will get the notification alert. Notification alert gone. Okay, and we will get the email alert as well as 3562 main screen, and we will get the gas alert. Okay, now I am getting the gas alert, 0 minutes, high gas alert. Once again, temperature, humidity, bad air. We will get the notification alert here. Bad air notification alert came. Close, and we will go for the humidity, high humidity. I given the humidity through my mouth. High humidity 68, humidity 80. Humidity 90. We will get humidity 90. Humidity alert. So here also humidity 90, and it is also updating the SMS alert came. Humidity alert, high humidity alert, Blink application, and as well as this one also, temperature. Temperature alert. Temperature 45 above. High humidity alert. Temperature 40. Temperature 49. We will get the alert. Temperature 49. Yeah, temperature alert. So temperature 49, and we are getting the email alerts also. Yeah, temperature alert, blink alert, email alert and blink alert. And we are going to control the bulbs. So now I am going to give the bulbs. Okay, so okay, bulb 1 on, bulb 2 on. So all bulbs are on. So now I am going to off the bulbs. Yeah, 2 bulbs are off. Here also off. Bulb 1 off. It is controlling through mobile app. That's why it is getting the slow internet. Okay, bulb 1 and bulb 2 on. Close. Bulb 2 on. Bulb 2 on. Bulb 2 on. Bulb 1 on. Close. Bulb 1 on. Bulb 1 on. Bulb 1 on. Bulb 1. Temperature, humidity. So this is our application, blink application, and as well as IoT web page, and as well as SMS alert, email alert. Bulb 1 off, bulb 2, bulb 1 off, bulb 1 off. It will off. Wait for 2 minutes. Bulb 1 off, bulb 2 off. Bulb 2 off, bulb 2 off. Thank you.